Did you know that gluten-free diets are not always healthier as commonly believed? Today, we're revealing the shocking truth about gluten-free diets and your health. Welcome back to the Wellness Guide, your trusted source for health and wellness tips. In today's video, we're diving into the world of gluten-free diets and their impact on health. There's a widespread misconception that going gluten-free is automatically healthier, but that's not always the case. Let's uncover the truth together. Many people blindly follow a gluten-free diet without proper understanding or medical advice. This can lead to several issues, including nutritional deficiencies and unnecessary dietary restrictions. It's crucial to know whether you really need to go gluten-free and understand the potential risks involved. Let's explore why some people adopt gluten-free diets, the potential risks, and the importance of balanced nutrition. Reasons for gluten-free diets. Some people need to avoid gluten due to celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. For them, a gluten-free diet is essential. However, others may adopt it thinking it will help with weight loss or overall health improvement, often without medical necessity. Potential risks. Gluten-free products often lack essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals found in whole grains. Additionally, these products can be higher in calories, sugars, and fats to improve taste and texture, leading to other health issues. Balanced nutrition. It's important to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients. If you're not medically required to avoid gluten, consider incorporating whole grains and other nutrient-rich foods into your diet. Here's the surprising truth. Gluten-free products can sometimes be less healthy than their gluten-containing counterparts due to added sugars and fats. So, while you're avoiding gluten, you might be consuming more unhealthy ingredients. To summarize, gluten-free diets are not inherently healthier and can sometimes be less nutritious due to added sugars and fats. It's crucial to make informed decisions and focus on a balanced diet. If you're considering going gluten-free, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's the right choice for you. What are your thoughts on gluten-free diets? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Wellness Guide for more insightful videos on health and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.